come to an end, cause these nowadays men be girlier than even my girlfriend. I want a man strong, make me feel safe in your hands. I want a man to belong, to make me understand. There are still real men out there, cause I don't know what's this, I swear. I want a
All right, she doesn't need any introduction, but we're gonna give her one anyway. Government name Tifa Brown, bold, brilliant, and back with a brand new anthem. And she's right, it's an anthem because she said every woman, many women, have been reaching out to her about it. Single is called I Want a Man. Tifa. Good morning. How are you?
Wow, this is my face, you know.
What happened to you?
I mean, I understand.
So the man is right here?
Yeah, I mean, I understand it's not me when she says she wants a man. She just said, come, Neville. So.
You sure nobody not gonna fight me?
Who could I fight? Only Simone. Simone is my lady. She
I would not fight you. You can have all of him. would you like him packaged? Like right now?
Tifa, go on.
Not much.
Good to
I'm
see
blessed.
you.
I'm happy. You know.
Good to see
You're
you.
doing what I love, so yeah.
Good to see you.
You've been in Jamaica since Monday promoting this song.
Yes.
You head out to the US after you head back home to promote the song some more.
And we started in Florida, so we did all of the majors there, and then we came home.
Mercy. What's the traction? What's the feedback like?
Traction and the feedback is great. People love this. Even men love the song. They have to catch up themselves and yeah, because they can't sing the I Want a Man part. But the traction has been great. People love the song. People love things that they can identify to, and you know that strike a chord in real life.
So tell me why you wrote this song now?
I wrote this. Oh God, I forgot to do this again.
Yeah.
So I wrote this song a couple of probably 2 months ago. Big up the digital one, Richard Roche. She sent me the track. Love the track. And for some strange reason, that week, every single friend I had, every girlfriend I had, was complaining about some relationship, some situationship to me. And I was just like, okay, that same week, you know. And then social media, there's something that came out that said 1 in every 4 women will remain single. And that struck a chord again. And then the big trial overseas started, and all of this disgusting, you know, things were coming out about the dynamics between man and woman. And then another murder-suicide happened in the news, and then I started to see women saying in the comments, these men don't love us. These men don't love us. These men don't... Where the man them, they were supposed to protect us and love us and care for us. And then the Friday, Richard Friday, this guy that was trying to date me, he aggravated my soul.
Your soul, T.
Aggravated my soul.
Like beyond your art.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and literally, he triggered me, and I literally took everything that week, that every single woman was saying that week, and put in the song.
Him know, say, is him true, right?
I mean, he knows now.
Well, thanks for the inspo, guy. Clearly, she's not dating you anymore. Some people are for a season and for a purpose. That's what he was for. So the song kind of just came out of you at that point.
Literally did.
Like
that Friday night, I wrote the song. Saturday morning, it was recorded, and the rest is
Wow. Are you getting a hard time from the men at all?
I mean, of course, they're gonna curse. Not all men are like this. You know, why are you stereotyping us? There's a big discussion yesterday based upon something that I had posted. Oh, Jamaican men don't cheat.
Who? What? Somebody?
Exactly.
What?
That's a whole other conversation for a whole other show.
You need another song about that.
But in a sense, that's kind of what you want, at least getting attention.
Like there's the conversation is happening, and I'm happy that it is happening, because I feel like a lot of the roles have been reversed with regards to men and women. You know what I mean? More women are more independent now. If you look at the stats and the facts, they said 70% of single women are buying homes now. It's the women that are buying homes now. It's the women that are occupying the CEO positions and doing the things that men would normally do.
Great.
You know what I mean? So they're crying because, okay, match me, or at least be my piece. Even if you can't, you know, match my money or match my stature, at least if you're coming into this relationship with me, be my piece.
Yep. Is this a part of a bigger project, or is this like a one-off and you're going to move on?
It happened as a single project, but it spilled off into something greater. So stay tuned for more. Okay, that's all I can say.
Right. Girl, we don't do teasing here.
No,
you got to tell us what you mean.
You have to bust something. I may have bust it.
But I just told you.
Well, I will bust.
That means I can't come back.
No.
So we can't tell you everything. But it's a part of a bigger picture. We're going on the road. There are lots of people that are interested in doing things with the song. So that's all I can say right now. But we're getting a really, really great feedback from it. And yeah, I want a man. I am single. I do want a man.
You're obviously still enjoying what you're doing.
Of course. Else I wouldn't be doing it.
Yes, correct.
I would not be doing it.
Yeah. By the way, them say I must put you on the hot seat.
Oh, wow.
What kind of man do you want?
Tall, dark, or handsome? You can only pick one.
Tall, dark, handsome. Well, I guess handsome.
You can only pick one?
Me again.
Tall, dark, and handsome is usually a package.
But she say you can only pick one. I'm following the producer. Biggest red flag on the first date?
Biggest red flag on the first date. Bad hygiene.
Well, that is,
Ew.
that is all kind of color flag.
Ew.
That one is every
Ew.
color flag. One thing a man must bring to the table. I don't think they might talk about that table.
I hate that table talk.
What characteristics do you look for? Let's say not even to the table, because that's all
You know what? Good values.
values.
Right, good enough.
Good
Yeah.
values.
Dinner date or dance hall party?
Dinner dates. Dance. Us going to a dance is not a date. You can't talk to me. You can't find out any. We're literally just going to be rubbing up on each other. That's not a date.
Okay, got you. That's clear.
That sound bad still.
I want a man, but not if he...
If he has 10 baby mamas.
What happened if him have
And you're
nine?
very specific that
What
it's
if him have
10.
nine?
So could he have 9 and a half?
What if him have nine?
But like a lot.
To be clear.
A lot. I don't do the drama. Like, that come with drama. I don't do the...
Baby mama drama.
Yeah.
What's the next one?
You have a celebrity crush?
No, is that weird?
No.
I don't have a celebrity crush.
Do you have your eye on anybody?
Right now, no.
You've never seen anybody in the movies and thing.
When I was younger, like I had a crush on Mace, the rapper. Like when I was younger, I had like crushes.
Yeah.
But no.
But like no,
This means
no.
it had to be when you were much
Yeah,
younger.
much younger,
Yeah.
yeah.
What song would you want playing in the background of your love life right now? What's your track?
Someone always in control, but at night when I come home and turn the key, there's nobody there. No one cares for me. When you start,
Yo,
I want to run to you.
yo, Tifa did not teach, right?
Something else.
Oh, I want to run. I want to run
When you
to you.
start.
Okay.
Would you date someone who don't know your music?
Of course, actually prefer it that way.
Why?
Because I want people to I want the
Like
person
you,
to
not because you're
exactly.
an
You
entertainer.
find a lot of men like you don't know who wants to date if a Tifa versus Latifa. You know what I mean? So yeah, I would date somebody definitely.
And the final one, where can we stream your music and where can we see you perform this weekend?
Stream music on all platforms. Follow me at It's the Tifa at It's ITSTHETIFA, and you can see me tomorrow at New Rules, Trelawney Stadium, Alkaline Show. I will be there in live and live in color with the DEM rollout.
Why do you still believe in love? You've had some rough brushes, but you're putting it. You're like this is putting yourself out there, Tiff.
Why do I still believe it?
Yeah.
Because it exists. And I think I've been in love maybe once. Because sometimes you think you're in love, but you're not really in love. It's just a phase. But when I was in love, it was a beautiful thing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, babe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
nice,
yeah.
Nice.
And when you say I want a man, do you have any misgivings that people think you're desperate to put this out there, or
No.
it's too vulnerable and it's too raw and it's too...
No.
Yeah.
I'm literally the voice for many women out there that are afraid to speak, or, you know what I mean, that feel like they cannot speak, or feel like, you know. So I've always been an advocate for others. So as I said, this song is the voice for a lot of women.
And if there's a man watching now who could be Tifa's other, what would you like them to do? Don't slide into your DM.
Do not start. No, please. I have too many DMs right now.
Yeah, and they're very interesting.
Yes, they're very.
Yeah.
they're very interesting.
How are they going to reach you?
Contact my booking agent.
Well, if them are trouble, you just say, is
They're
that?
applying for a
You
job.
see the brown man with the on TV, I find him already.
Contact the booking agent.
When you leave me alone.
What's your booking agent?
Information in the bio. Information in my bio on IG.
They say they must do the work to prove
Yeah,
that
just
them-
contact the agent.
If you're not hearing me, if them trouble, you just say, done. I find him already. You say the brown man on TV, is him that. That's very simple thing.
But you're taken.
By whom? Same alone. But she don't have a problem with, you know. It's all right.
He's not taken. Well, he may be taken, but not by me. So as far as I'm concerned, again, happy birthday. You can have him. It's an early birthday gift. But I know the women who, the interests outside may have a thing or two to say about
Yeah,
that. So I would advise you as your friend.
Not to.
So we are not friends? I want to know that.
That's why I'm telling my other friend to, because I know you.
I am most single. Most single.
I want to run to you.
The great and outstanding Tifa, our friend.
I want to run
I like
from
it,
you.
and good luck with it, and good luck as
Thank
you
you.
move on.
Stream, I want a man. And
Yes.
see you at New Rules tomorrow.
And
Okay.
every time you come to Jamaica, come check with. Every
I
single
will,
time.
I will definitely.
So every
You know
time
when I
come-
went to Florida the other day, Tiff came to the show?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have to come see Sim.
Yeah. That's my girl.
All right. Well, is it two hours, girl? After the break, we give you something to
Girls,
smile
how
about.
you say I'm your wife? I'm sitting right beside. This is the problem she sing about in her song.
Right.
You say I'm your wife, but you're literally telling Tifa that you are available.
Of course. Because
I don't understand that.
Because I know you stay, because by 12 o'clock today, you're going to tell me, say, no, you're not with me. And then you have to.
I tell you that every minute of the day. That doesn't stop me from saying I'm your wife. I'm still sitting right here.
All right, we will talk.
Over
Tiff
now,
afterwards.
officially.
It's over officially.
If you can have him.
You cannot leave me.
You can go.
After the break, the amount of something to smile about we have from morning, and we still have another one.
We're more to from smiling.
Thank you. We soon come. Something to smile about.
Smile about it.
To make me understand there are still real men out there, cause I don't know what's this, I swear I want a man strong, make me feel safe in your hands. I want a man there, me I look for you, can't see him now, hey, away there,